Hi, I'm Marta from Analog Magic, and today I'm going to develop a roll of color film with Ago film processor. C-41 process can be really easy to do at home, and today I will walk you through the whole process: temperature, chemistry, timing, everything you need to do it properly. It's designed to be playful and unpredictable. It shifts color in unexpected ways. Blues render as orange, yellows turn into vibrant azure tones, and reds move toward purple and blue hues. Let's see how it turns out. Before we start, here's everything you need for C-41 development at home. Exposed C-41 film, developing tank with reel, C-41 chemistry, thermometer. Also, we need a water heater and the Ago film processor. So C-41 requires precise temperature control, and that's really critical. Even small temperature shifts can affect the color balance and the density. That's why I'm using the Ago, and it will compensate for the time when it's needed and will also rotate the tank automatically. I load the film onto the reel in complete darkness. You can use a changing bag. If you're new to this, practice with the scrap roll first. Loading is the hardest part. So now we are ready for the developer, but first we need to preheat the tank. And it's a pretty important step because when we preheat the tank, it also keeps the chemicals temperature much better. So after preheating the tank, we are starting to developing. Developing part is 3 minutes and 50 seconds at 38 degrees. This is where the image forms, the developer activates the color, dyes, and builds density in the negative. Next step is bleach, and we're going to use it for 45 seconds, and bleach removes the silver from the negative. Now it's time for fixing our image. That's why we are using fix for 1 minute and 30 seconds. We still need to keep the temperature of our chemicals at 38 degrees. The final step is stabilizer, and this one protects the film from fungus and helps preserve the dyes long term. This is actually the first time I've developed this new film stock, and the negative color looks very purple, which is really interesting. I'm really curious how it's gonna look when I will scan it. So if you want consistent C-41 results at home, temperature control is everything. Once you control the temperature and agitation, the whole process becomes very easy. If you have any questions about C-41 process, leave them in the comment section.